Hey everybody, one of the questions I get asked every time I'm at Fully Charged Live in the commercial vehicle zone is, when will there be a campervan on the market? Well, who knows? When will there be a campervan on the market? Anyway, I've found a guy that might know something. Hey Dale from TC Conversions.
Morning.
What have you done to this van?
So we've taken a saw to the roof.
Oh my gosh.
And we've taken our Buzz cargo panel van and created the world's first campervan.
The world's first campervan?
EV Volkswagen Buzz campervan.
Wow. Dale, you've got to tell me about it. What makes it unique? What makes it wonderful?
Well, we really believe this is the gateway vehicle for EV camping now.
Right.
So we've got a very high-spec power system in here. We've got 160 amp hours of lithium.
Yeah.
3,000 watt inverter.
Yeah.
I mean, you've really got to have some unique power to make it a usable vehicle on site.
So how long does that give us off-grid, as it were?
Off-grid. Complicated question and a good one.
Right.
But if let's exclude the cooking facilities right now, which you may have on for 20 minutes at a time.
Yeah.
It will run unaided for 3 days.
Wow.
However, we have 135 watt solar.
I saw that.
Yep. So that's continuously feeding.
Right.
You have the option to mains hookup.
Right.
To actually plug in wherever that's feasible.
To power the ancillary battery.
Absolutely.
Right. Okay.
But we also have the ability. Volkswagen have given us a converter feed.
Right.
Off of the main system.
Yeah.
The drive battery. Yeah. That will also trickle charge to the leisure system.
So it sounds like as long as you can charge the vehicle from time to time, you could go off grid for quite some time.
Absolutely. Think of it like a dripping tap in a sink.
Yeah.
It will consistently be topping up, topping up. Provided you don't draw too much from that.
Sure. In
a short space of time. Yeah.
And what about the internal specification? Has it got a bed? Can I sleep in this?
Great question again. So, being the world's first, we have our own crash-tested rock and roll bed.
Wow.
So it's a seat system that pulls out, gives you a 3/4 sleeping.
Right.
And then in the elevated pop-top roof, you've got a further bunk system.
No way.
Yep, for 2 children, or as I say, 2 people that are very close in their relationship. So we have top-loading refrigerator, induction cooker. Honestly, for a van this compact, we're really proud of what we've managed to do.
This is a really high spec, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So we've grabbed a few minutes inside of this vehicle. Whilst everybody is looking over it, it is really interesting from the youngest to the oldest. I got asked, is there a bed up there? And yes, there is, as we heard from Del. But one of the things I really loved about this vehicle is it's both an inside and an outside kind of vehicle. So here's the cooking system with an induction hob and a sink and everything. But if I just do this and just gently pull it down, I don't want to break it, I gently pull it down, suddenly I can cook while I'm outside. This is absolutely brilliantly thought through. It's all level with the table. I mean, I just want one, and I certainly know that the person holding the camera wants one too. So here's the fridge compressor that Del was talking about, and that is the rock and roll bed. And what you'll see is that bed pulls out, lays flat, and then with one touch, zips back up to a seat. The table's of course removable because you wouldn't be able to have that there. But this is a vehicle that will meet every desire of a campervan enthusiast. How does it compare to, say, the other VW stuff on the market? I mean, I know that there is, like, in terms of list price, I know it's not cheap, but it's competitive, right?
Absolutely, yes. So if you're looking at something comparative, might be Transporter, a California-based, and we're looking at sort of anywhere from 60 to 90,000, depending on specification. Yeah. So this EV-based is very much comparative with a combustion.
Fantastic. Yeah. So there we go, everybody. This is a campervan. It's available from TC Conversions. They will take you wherever you want to go in the VW ID Buzz. Now, it's worth pointing out the VW ID Buzz, 250 mile range on a really good day. It's got 170 kilowatt DC charging, so that's really quick. And I know that the guys here have not added loads of weight to this vehicle, so it is going to be really effective. And I've just heard somebody going, it's a campervan. And it is. It's a campervan. Check these guys out. Have a great day, everybody.